Hello, entrepreneurs. Welcome to NOBOSS TV Discussion 5. Let's get started. You've decided on the business idea that you want to start and the products that you plan to sell. And I'm really excited because in this discussion, we're going to talk about refining your products and researching your competitors. What do I mean by refining? I mean making small changes in options, changing in add-on products, getting your product line more focused and accurate. Because refining your products will ensure that you're giving your customers what they want. Researching your competitor will ensure that you're being competitive. Both the competition and your customers can help you to refine your products. But to do this, we've got to do some investigating. When it comes to customers and selling, you always want to find effective ways to entice your customers to buy from you. And the only way to do that successfully is to know what your customers want. How do you find out what they want? Well, you ask them. Customers offer a wealth of information that your business needs to hear. Often, product offerings and new developments stem directly from customer feedback. Assuming you don't have customers yet because your business is new, this is a tactic that I want to make sure that you implement now as you're setting up your business. And there's several ways to get good feedback. With potential customers and inquiries, you should have an email list sign-up form or social media in place to answer questions that you may receive from a potential customer. They're likely asking because they're interested in buying from you. So the links from your blog or social media should serve as a self-help link, allowing customers to find exactly what they're looking for, go directly to the product. Or they should be an ask for help type of link where they can email you and ask you for help. If a customer is visiting your website that's already up and running, they may need assistance placing an order or finding something on your website in particular that they're looking for. And you want to be able to live chat or again have an email link available. After the customer has actually purchased from you, ask for that product review. That's the perfect time because the customer can tell you exactly how they feel about your website, the ordering process, and the product that they actually have in their hand. Now, you and I both know that your business idea is brilliant, but your customers don't, at least not yet. And that's because you haven't entered the market. And until now, your competitors have been setting the tone. Every combination of a market is inundated with products and services. Now here you come to enter the market with your amazing products. But does this mean that customers will instantly start to buy from you? Not necessarily. And I'll give you two reasons why. If your product is new or innovative, you'll need to educate your market, just as Microsoft has to educate us about Windows. Netscape educated us about cyberspace, the internet. Or Apple educated us about mobile apps. We had never seen these things before, so we had to be educated to understand how these new innovations were beneficial to us. If your product is already on the market, you'll need to set yourself apart to show the value in your business versus the competitor. This value could be quantity or quality, ease of ordering, new shipping methods. It depends on what you're selling. But the point is, there has to be a differentiation between your new business and the established competitor. So, who are your competitors? In business, we generally like to look at competitors in three categories. Direct competitors have the same product as you, the same goals, and they're targeting the same customers. Indirect competitors have similar products, different goals, but they're also targeting the same customer. Replacement competitors have different products, different goals, and the same customer as you. Because replacement competitors give your customer an alternative to your product. And while it may not be true, the replacement competitor gives the impression that their product is cheaper or healthier or in some way a better option. And replacement competitors are likely in an entirely different industry, which is why they're difficult to identify and why they're such a threat, because they could also develop new innovations that could eliminate the need for your product altogether. I mean, remember Blockbuster Video? You're about to start investigating, and you need to know what to look for. While you don't want to duplicate a competitor's image, you do want to mimic their successful tactics. So you investigate to determine what the competitor is doing, what's working well, what's not working well. And you could do this by reviewing the competitor's website, visiting their storefront, reading their sales material, or what the heck, join their email list. But you want to gather that intel. So you can continue to listen to this video because I want you to open a tab in your browser. Go to your favorite search engine, Yahoo or Google. And what I want you to do is look for your business or look for your competitor. So if you're selling t-shirts or wigs, or you're a bakery and you're selling cakes in your area, whatever that keyword is, go to that search engine and as a customer would and say, I want to buy a t-shirt. What are the keywords that you're using to find yourself or your competitors? You need to pay attention to that because these are the same keywords that you're going to use for your website and how your customers are going to find you as well. From the search results, I want you, before you click on anything, I just want you to scroll down the search results and just from the information that's there, see what competitors appear to be in the exact same line of business as you. They're selling the same products, maybe in your city, your town, your state, whatever your selling scope is. What competitors are in the same line of business as you? Now I want you to select one of those competitors. Go ahead and click on their website. Note how long it takes for their website to open up. We're going to look at everything. When it opens up, what is your first impression? Does it seem busy? Is there a lot going on? Does it seem clean, clear, concise? Look at the links menu. Frequently asked information, about us, products, video. What information are they offering to the customer? Because likely the customer has been asking these questions, which is why they've added these links. Does the website appear current and updated? You can probably look down in the footer of the website and look at the copyright date. If it's not in the current year, they may not even be in business. How easy is their website to navigate? Can you find what you're looking for? Can you easily find the products and services they sell? And finally, would you buy from them? Now let's go look at the products. How are the products being presented? Look at their products and services menu. Are there pictures of products or a grid of text information? How are the products presented? Does it show actual packaging or how the product is actually made? Are the pictures fresh and clear and appear to be updated and new? What about the pricing of the products? Are the prices in the same line that you thought you were going to be able to charge? Or are the prices higher than you thought or lower than you thought? Are they wholesale prices versus retail pricing? Are the prices even appearing on the website? Recruiting methods. What methods are they using to recruit potential customers? Are they asking for email subscriptions, a call for a phone consultation, or download some free information so they can capture the emails that way? What about their selling methods? How are they selling their product? Does the customer have to write down the address and drive over to the storefront, or can they buy right online? Or do they need to live chat first? Look for any variances as well. Do they sell other products, complementary products? What about product options, sizes, colors? What about add-on services, tech support? Are they offering bundles, package deals, some type of membership? This is the information that I want you to identify and determine if these are the things that you can incorporate in your business as well. So this is your task. Find at least 3 direct competitors, 1 indirect competitor, and 1 replacement competitor, for a total of 5 competitors. And I want you to use your findings to create a competitive landscape. A competitive landscape is going to give you a visual of the competition. Now, you can create your own competitive landscape in a spreadsheet, Google Docs, or Excel. There's also a video available at NOBOSS TV for the tutorial for the competitive landscape. So if you went through that tutorial video, you could recreate your own from scratch. If you have already downloaded Workshop 1, all of the worksheets and documents that I reference in these discussions are already included, so it's just a click away. But once you've created your competitive landscape and compared competitors to one another, you're also going to be comparing those competitors to your business. What can you add? What is not necessary for you to add? What may you add later in your business? But then I want you to just kind of elaborate and make a written statement in Workshop 1 for this section about what you've discovered concerning your competitors. This investigation of your competitor is vital, even to the smallest of businesses, because you have to understand the playing field to do well in the game, which is why this reason for failure is so important. Failure to react to the competition. I mean, it's nice to think that there's enough business for everyone, and small businesses make this mistake all the time. They put their product out there, you know, that we build it, they will come concept. But what small businesses don't realize is, A, sometimes customers don't even know that you exist, or B, your product is not focused. Your product has not been refined to what the customer wants. And the fact is, to survive, you must ensure that you gain your fair market share. Now, there's a lot of money out there to be made. So, and there's a market share for you to gain. But if you're shooting in the dark or aiming at a moving target, you're not going to do very well. And refining your products and understanding what your competition is doing is going to give you that focus that you need, and it's going to allow you to aim in the right direction. And that's what I want to make sure that you're doing. So whether you mimic some of the things that your competitors are doing now or some later, this is an exercise that entrepreneurs do probably once a year. They go out online, whatever their method is, probably online these days, just to see what's going on, what's happening in the industry, what am I missing, What can I implement in my new business to offer a more robust service and a more boost the customer's experience with our business? Discover as much as you can about your competitors. Trust me, once your business is up and running and successful, they'll be investigating you as well. So don't feel odd about poking around to see what your competitors are doing. This is the name of the game. Start gathering that competitor's information. It will inform you, it will give you ideas for your own business, and it'll help you determine how best to impact your market and successfully compete. This concludes discussion 5. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.